and I am not able to give answers all the questions. But I am geared always.
Okay. But if we are doing regular practice, after some time, gradually we will improve. Meeting first time, so I would like to know more about you. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, definitely. My name is Neetu Thakur. I was born and brought up in a small village called Rehli near Sagar district of MP. And I am a teacher by profession. And there are five members in my family. And if you talk about my core of interest, my hobbies are quite different. I like horse riding, bullock cart riding, shooting. That's it all about me. Thanks for giving me this chance. And I also want more about you.
Okay, I am Tanya and I'm joining you from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have a daughter also. Yes. And if I talk about my hobbies, right now my first hobby is watching good movies, and second hobby is watching good content, English content. That's it.
It sounds good. And you connect Pink City. You are connecting with
Yeah,
me
I
in Pink
connect.
City.
Yes,
I visit
yes.
5 times Jaipur because
Five
I
times.
Khatu Shyam.
Khatu Sham. Okay.
Yes.
I think it is far from my house. 20 kilometers. Yes.
Oh wow, that's good.
Because I am living main Pink City. And Khatu Sham is, I think it is far from my house. Yes. So
Yeah,
there
my
are
work.
so many palaces. There are so many palaces in the Jaipur. So
But
which
I
palace? Hmm.
Khatu Shyam, and Sala Sarji.
Salasar. Yes, I know. Yes. So tell me something about your MP.
MP.
Yes. You belong from MP?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. People are very. But yeah, my maternal house is MP. But right now I am connecting to you, UP, Kanpur.
Kanpur. Kanpur is called Leather City also in old
Yes, yes,
time.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
And there
Nowadays,
is one. Hmm.
you
Yes.
also can purchase leather things here and good
Yes.
quality. But if you have knowledge, then you find better leather here. Otherwise,
Okay. Do you? Are you interested in any role play? So we can do
sorry,
role play. Role play. Are you interested for role play?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose you are a teacher and I am a mother of a student who is studying in LKG grade. Okay. Sometimes students, fill their bags like some notebooks, some like perfumes. Because my daughter also had done this when she was in LKG grade. She, she put all the perfumes and his daddy, there are some small booklets. Yes,
Cards, mobile,
yes,
bottles,
yes.
lipstick.
Sometimes
Yeah.
mostly they are doing these kind of things. So we will discuss this. You will make me call and you will tell me that Ria has done all these things. He had put all your things, and you will explain me. Okay. So first
Okay.
you will call me.
Okay. So, can I know your daughter name?
Um, you can suppose it is Ria. Okay, Ria.
Okay. 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 So, are you a Ria mother?
Yes, ma'am. Speaking.
Yeah, I have one complaint for her because she came to school with lots of things in her bag. I always saw nail paint, purse, clutcher. So please, when you send your daughter to school, so please first you check her bag because we face problem
Hmm.
because same students are in my class, so they fight after seeing her bag.
Ma'am, I always check, but I don't know when she is putting all these things in her bag. I always taught him you should never put these things in your bag. I think you should also educate her because she's single child. So sometimes she's doing these kind of activities.
No, ma'am. Actually nowadays every parents have mostly single child. Doesn't matter. But they are starting play all that type of things. So that's why they carry that type of things in her bag. But students are same age group, so we fight
Hmm.
after seeing that type of thing. So that's why I'm saying to you, I have no problem. But sometimes she take out nail paint and she apply in her nails and other friends in nails. So that's the problem I face so many times. And sometimes she take out lipstick and she apply even face, not only lips.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
we
I apologize from her side. I apologize from her side. And again, I will check her bag. So, ma'am, when should I come to the school to collect all these things?
our home time, ma'am, because mid in the class my principal not allowed to talk any parent. Even we are not
Hmm.
able to pick up any call. That's why you came home time. So I return all the things which yeah
Okay, ma'am.
bring it
Okay, ma'am. And how, she's a very pampered girl. So I would just like to know, she's really studying in her class or she's doing some mischievous thing because she's naughty also.
all the students are naughty, but when they came school, so I pamper, but I give punishment time to time.
What kind of punishments you are?
My I only staring all the students. I saw my actor
Okay.
on my eye through the eyes. So I have no need to beating badly blue and black and blue, but I only staring on my students, so they sit proper in a particular place because she is not PG class. Now she is in LKG class.
Yes, ma'am. But when she comes from the school, I always check her lunch box. Sometimes she's not eating properly. What should I do?
So please give her favorite food. It's not possible to finish all food for even us, because nowadays I notice many mother fill full lunch box, even
Hmm.
four or three foods. It's not possible to finish
Hmm.
anyone. So please give her favorite food, even and you also kept one fruit, her choice. And I will tell my Aya. So next time you not face that type of problem.
And yesterday she lost her water bottle. And again she lost her water bottle. What should I do?
Oh, ma'am, so we have many water bottles. You came and you take your bottle. We have so many water bottle here. We store
Okay. Can
and
I label her? Hmm. Yes, yes.
yes,
Can
yes,
I label her water bottle? Can I label her water bottle? Like I can write her name, class.
yes. You take a one marker and you put her name and class also. You mentioned there in her water bottle, because nowadays water bottle colors, lunchbox colors same. So small students are confused. Sometimes they left
Hmm.
their water bottle. So
Hmm.
you
And ma'am,
mentioned
her
you take
and
her name.
yes, and Ria's handwriting is very poor. What should I do?
Yeah, I noticed because sometimes it's very difficult to read. So you give
Hmm.
one practice daily at home. You make a separate copy and you give written practice. Only one page, not much more, because now she is in LKG class, so we also give three subject work daily. So you give only one page written practice.
But she is showing so many tantrums. She don't want to do any homework. What should I do? How can I encourage her?
Yes, ma'am. All mother face this problem, but you create a story when you taught your daughter. So you create a story, and then you try to guide him and uh, her work complete. That time she is able to do his work, her work completed.
Hmm. And ma'am, what do you think about bedtime stories? These are really helpful for improving English. Bedtime English stories. I'm saying like
Yes.
what? Mhm.
Okay, I got it. Your question. Yeah, because I share my experience with you. My son is 20 years, but when he was small, so I create a story, and while sleeping, I correlate a story, any kind of topic, and yeah, I noticed he reply next day
Hmm.
when I you know share with him thrice and four times. After that, he noticed all the things. Suppose I say I saw a horse in the garden, and he saw a horse, so he called a horse, and he replied, "Mama, I also saw one horse in the garden." So it's a
Mm-hmm.
very good idea for every mothers. They who are travel suffer to related their children.
Okay. Like
This
by this way, we can develop critical thinking also.
yes, yes, yes.
So I will
Because
apply all these. Yes, yes.
because
Carry on.
that free time for all the mothers, and
Mm.
your mood also relax that time.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yes,
are not
yes.
hurry kitchen work. I have office work. That time you are also free, so you have cool
Mm.
mind, and you pamper very
Yes.
well, and you create story also very well manner
Mm. Yes.
and good way.
Now I will apply all these techniques. Now I will apply all these techniques which you provided today.
Yeah, definitely, or it works. Definitely,
Mm.
I promise.
So this was the, you can say, small role play between mother and the teacher.
Yeah, thank you. And I suddenly give reply. I don't know how I am pass or fail, but yes.
No, all are learners, and I think when we are doing random conversation and random role play, it is very helpful because it will also develop a critical thinking. If
Yes,
all
yes.
time if we are prepared for the topic and then we are speaking, I think sometimes it's not good. We should do some random topics also.
Yeah, and you can't believe, I just came from my school and I am ready for the session.
That's why I
I'm tired.
choose this role play. That's why I choose this role play. Like you are a teacher, I am a mother. I have faced so many problems also.
Yeah, but my English is not good, but nowadays I'm learning. So, yeah, I'm in
Yes.
this platform. So
Hmm.
I'm not,
But it's
I don't want
mhm.
to give excuses to you. No, no, I'm not in the mood and I'm not able to give answers all the questions. But I'm geared up always.
Okay. But if we are doing regular practice, after some time, gradually we will improve.
Yeah,
Yes.
I noticed because I left 1 month due to some reason. So I feel quite nervous, and I feel
Hmm.
I forget all when I
Sometimes it happens. We are not doing
correct.
practice, and after some time we are doing again. Or legs are sometimes shivering. How can I do? But
Yes,
yes,
yes.
we have done very in a very good way. You can say like
Yeah,
you are also a teacher and I am also a mother. So I think it was a very good performance.
yes, yes. I also noticed this.
So any other
Okay,
question? If you have, you can ask.
I also asked same question to you. You have any question? So please pick up your brain.
No, today I have no question because we had already done this role play.
Okay, so you said you watch movie. You are movie lover. So what type of movie you watch, or which movie you watched recently?
Recently, I watched Haseen Dilruba Part 2.
Okay, I'm not a movie lover, so I don't have much idea. But you said na when we start our conversation, you are movie lover. So you and what type of content you watch for
Sorry, can
enhancing
you
your
repeat?
English?
Okay,
What type of
content. Hmm.
watch for enhancing your English?
I mostly watch movies like Hollywood movies, any kind of movies. I always watch whenever I get time. I watch movies and documentary also, English documentary.
Okay, so you talk with your daughter in English,
No, because she don't like to speak in English. I don't know why.
and we play a role right now. So she really carry lots of things with her bag.
Yes, when she was in LKG grade, she always put some perfumes. She all put a mobile also. It was featured mobile, not a smartphone. So that time I got. the call.
Yeah, I also noticed because I am also a mother teacher in class PG. So I also noticed, sometimes they bring key and mom
Yes,
bangles. One time, one incident happened with me. One of my student, she brings mom bangles, lipstick, purse for me. Ma'am, this is
yes,
for you. And
yes.
I
It's very common in these children. Yes.
yes, yeah, I put it on my table and I called her mother and she came and she is laughing loudly, ma'am. I I don't know when what this time she collect all the things and put it in her bag and she brings here.
They
But
always do this kind of activity. I don't know why.
no, no.
Yes.
So don't worry, it's happened. Most of the student do same activities.
But now she is not doing this kind of activity. Now she is grown up. Yes.
Yeah, so I already said to you, I am mother teacher of class PG. So they are toddler. So they do this activity frequently.
Yes. So I think I have chosen very good role play for today's conversation. Like you are really a teacher and I am really a mother of a small kid.
Yeah, I
Yes.
also
So it
enjoy.
was a lovely conversation with you. I hope you also enjoyed this role play.
Yeah, definitely. You give certain topic, and so that's why I'm very happy because when you take same topic again and again, so that is not beneficial for you. Because
Yes.
this is our first, I feel like familiar with you.
Hmm. Thank you. Okay. Bye bye. Have a
Bye bye
nice
bye.
day.